Hi.
Mr. Hugo!
Somebody dropping the ball?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Keep the voice down in there, please.
Okay. Yes, sir.
We will.
Oh dear, Mr. Hugo's getting angry.
I don't think so. Mom says he comes to the diner a lot, but doesn't really talk to anyone.
And he never smiles.
Maybe he doesn't know how.
Everyone knows how to smile, Luke.
Maybe he forgot.
Should we keep going?
Yeah, but not so loud.
Yeah, me too.